In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card to Instacart. This process is quite simple and will help you make your shopping experience smoother. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you will want to launch the Instacart app on your device. This is the essential starting point for any action you wish to take within the app. Once you tap on the app icon, it will open up to the home screen where you can view all your available options. This screen typically displays your recent orders, favorite items, and more. Ensuring that the app is fully loaded is crucial for a seamless experience. If you encounter any issues launching the app, check your internet connection, as a stable connection is necessary for the app to function properly. Next, tap the account icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. This icon usually resembles a person or a silhouette, and it is your gateway to managing your profile settings. By tapping this icon, you will access various account-related options, including your personal information, previous orders, and payment settings. This step is significant as it streamlines your navigation within the app. Once you've successfully tapped the icon, you will be directed to a new screen that will provide several options for account management. From there, select Settings from the menu that appears. This is often located towards the bottom of the list of options. Tapping on Settings will take you to a new screen where you can adjust various preferences related to your account. This step is important because it allows you to manage how your account behaves, including payment methods, notifications, and address settings. Once you are in the Settings menu, you'll see a lot of useful options to enhance your shopping experience. Now, right under Payment Methods, choose Add next to the credit or debit card option. This option allows you to add a new payment method to your account, which is vital for completing purchases. By selecting Add, you are indicating your intention to input new card details. The screen will now prompt you with the necessary fields to fill out. It's crucial to ensure that you have your card handy so you can accurately enter the details. This little step saves you a lot of time later when you're ready to check out. After that, follow the prompts to add the details, including the name on the card, card number, expiry, and CVC, and then click Save. This process involves entering sensitive information, so be sure to input it carefully. The name on the card must match the name associated with your account. Once you've filled in all the required fields, make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. This is important because incorrect details could lead to payment issues later on. When you hit Save, you will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your card has been successfully added. By following these steps, you can easily add a credit card to Instacart, enhancing your shopping experience. The ability to quickly check out with your preferred payment method is incredibly convenient. Remember, keeping your payment information up to date ensures a seamless transaction process. Now you are all set to enjoy your shopping with Instacart.